So now we are discussing about rational numbers. What is the definition of rational numbers? What are rational numbers? The numbers in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers. Here, what is P and what is Q? P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. This is the fractional number, P by Q. P by Q is a fraction. Here, P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q either be positive or negative number, but it is not equal to 0. It means in this fraction, the denominator part is not equal to 0. Fractional part is a integer. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. So here I am giving some examples, some basic examples here. 2 by 7, minus 5 by 9, 1 by minus 6, 8, etc. Here
1, 7, 9, minus 6 are integers. So these are in the form of P by Q, and these P and Q are integers. So these examples are for rational numbers. So all rational numbers can be written in the form of terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. To know this point or to understand this point, before I discussed about decimal numbers, here we observe that or we do division to 2 by 7, minus 5 by 9, 1 by minus 6, we get the decimal numbers. Those are terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals, means recurring decimals. So rational numbers are terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Now we are discussing about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q. So the numbers which are not in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. We discussed in rational numbers about P and Q. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. Examples: root 2, pi, e, root 5, etc. We have that pi equal to 3.14 and so on and so on. So that in decimal number, if you write pi in a decimal form, after the decimal point, the numbers are not repeating and not ending. Like that, root 2 and root 5 and e values also are not repeating and not ending. If you write those in decimal form, so these numbers are called irrational numbers. So when irrational numbers written as decimals, they are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. The numbers, if you write some numbers in a decimal form, if the decimal numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals, means non-recurring decimals, those are irrational numbers. Some examples are root 2, pi, e, root 5, etc.